Here we have our R-091As, which are our high impedance. These fit like the SR20DETs and some of the earlier model Nissans and the Mazdas in that. As you can tell from this here, you see the one on the left hand side is 440 and the one on the right hand side is the 550 cc's. We build these all the way up to 900 cc's. Here we have our R-091As, which are our high impedance. We test them from 0 RPMs all the way to 8,000 RPMs, making sure that every 1,000 RPMs is perfectly matched to a set of the fuel injectors. Here at TLF Performance Parts, we make sure the quality is there. Here we have our R-091As. These are ones that are high impedance. They go in a lot of the Nissans, and also they go into the Mazdas and several other automobiles. This one right here is a 440 cc's, and as you can tell, you can see the pinhole. By us not putting the cap and cleaning it up, you can see how it looks raw before we send them out to you. Here's one that is 550 cc that's built and ready to go. We can build these for you all the way up to 900 cc's.